with confusion, one man will break his silence.
Hello, I'm Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator. Before we get into the topic of today, I'd like to remind you to press the like, subscribe, and click that little bell so that you won't miss any of the series that we're doing this month of 30 days, every day in moderation. Also, in the upper corner, you'll see a little mark. If you click on that, you'll be able to grab the playlist, and that will include all of the series that we're doing this month. So let's get into today's topic. Today we're going to talk about how to give a wrench in YouTube. And there are several different ways to do that, so let me show you them now. So if you're in a YouTube stream and you want to make somebody a moderator, when they type in chat, you'll go over to the name, click on the chat, and you'll see three dots at the side of it. Click on the three dots, and all the way at the bottom, it says Add Moderator, and you click on that. Once you've clicked on that, they will receive a message that says they've been made a moderator. And now when they type in chat, you're going to notice that their name is going to turn blue, and they're going to have a wrench next to their name. That signifies that they are now a moderator. And they have the capabilities and the powers that a moderator has in chat, which we'll talk about in a future session. But now you notice that Valerie has the wrench. If you want to take that away from her, you do the same process. You go over to the three dots, click on the three dots, and then go all the way to the bottom and say Remove Moderator. And now she's back to a normal person. So now if she chats, she's going to look like she just did like she did the first time. When you make somebody a moderator, they are going to get a notice saying that they've been made a moderator, and they're also going to get a link to some frequently asked questions for moderators that YouTube sends to them. However, when you take away their moderator status, they are not notified that that has been removed. So just keep that in mind. Anyway, that's how you make a moderator in a live chat. You can also add or remove moderators directly from within your YouTube studio. Go to your YouTube studio, and down at the bottom, you'll click on Settings. Then from there, you'll go to Community. And you notice here, we have a list of moderators. To add a moderator, you'll need to go to their YouTube page, and you'll need to search for their channel ID. You want to highlight this long number, copy it, go back to your studio, and then just paste that number into the moderator section. It's going to show up as a strange number. You just come down to the bottom, click Save. When we come back into Settings and back into Community, now you'll see that India is a moderator again. Now, if I decided I wanted to remove India from this, all I'd have to do is click on the little X, click on Save, and then when we come back into Settings, back into Community, now you'll notice India is gone, and she's no longer a moderator. And that's how you do it from within Ecamm Studio. Hopefully this has helped you. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you in one of the upcoming series. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next stream.